Trudy, waar komt u vandaan? Hello! Welcome everybody to the third class of the beginners course. And in this class, you're gonna learn how to say where you're from and where you're living right now. So after watching this video, I have a little bit of homework for you, like after every class that I'm making in this course. And that is to tell in Dutch where you're from and where you're living. Well, also, I want to welcome back Kim with the funny hair and Trudy, and they will provide us with some examples of how you ask someone where they're from and how you answer these questions. And we already saw Kim asking Trudy, waar komt u vandaan? Ik kom uit Engeland. The question Kim is asking, waar komt u vandaan? Where come you from, literally, is with u, the formal, polite way to address someone. In other cases, like I already told you in previous class, we use the pronoun jij and je. Trudy said, ik kom uit Engeland. So we never say, ik kom van Engeland. Nee, nooit. Never. Ik kom uit Engeland. Which means that she's English and speaks English. And in Dutch we say, zij is Engels en zij spreekt Engels. And Kim wants to know how come Trudy is from England and she speaks Dutch so very well. Maar waarom spreekt u zo goed Nederlands? Nou, mijn ouders zijn Nederlands, dus daarom spreek ik ook goed Nederlands. And this explains a lot because Trudy says, mijn ouders zijn Nederlands, so that means my parents are Dutch. En daarom spreek ik ook Nederlands. And that's why I also speak Dutch. Then another interesting one. How do you say since when you live somewhere? So in this case in the Netherlands. Let's see what Trudy says. Ik woon sinds 2010 in Nederland. She said, ik woon sinds 2010 in Nederland. If she would have answered that, for instance, I've been living here for 10 years, then in Dutch you translate this with ik woon hier 10 jaar. Niet ik woon hier voor 10 jaar. No, that's a very common mistake. We never say this. Ik woon hier 10 jaar. And then where in the Netherlands does she live? Ik woon in Haarlem, dicht bij de kerk. Trudy lives in Haarlem, close to the church. Dicht bij de kerk. And Trudy wants to know where Kim lives. Waar woon jij? Ik woon nu 5 jaar in Den Haag. Dicht bij het strand. And that's true. Ik woon dicht bij het strand. I live close to the beach. Well, that was it for today. And now the homework, het huiswerk. Answer 2 questions for me. First one, waar kom jij vandaan? Remember how you answer this. Not with ik kom van, but the other one. Just write that in a comment. Second one, waar woon jij nu? Why do I want to know this? Well, I get a lot of responses of you guys from all over the world, and I would like to have a map and point out where all my students are living. So please tell me where you're living, where you're from. And as you know, this is part of the beginners course. This was class 3 and there are 22 more to come. And if you consistently watch them, you will certainly learn Dutch, of course. If you want to have PDF files with extra information, if you want to listen to audio files, then you can enroll in the online school. You can find the link in the comments. No, you can find the link in the description. Yeah, what else? Next class, that will be the alphabet and important Dutch sounds, sometimes a little bit complex sounds. So I'll see you then in that class. I wish you a great day. In Dutch we would say een fijne dag en tot snel. Doei!